Hi there, tired of carry-on luggage that scratches easily or feels weak after just a few trips? Today on Tech Kingo, we are talking about the best hardside carry-on luggage that is built tough but still easy to travel with. It is strong, spacious, and designed for smooth airport movement. Let's get started. Meet the Traveler's Choice Hardside Carry-On Luggage. Traveler's Choice created this suitcase for modern travelers who want durability without giving up comfort and convenience. From the outside, it already feels solid and reliable. The first big highlight is the indestructible polypropylene hardshell. This material is made to handle bumps, drops, and rough handling at airports. It resists abrasions and scratches, and it also protects against water. That means your clothes, electronics, and personal items stay safer during your trip. You do not have to stress every time your luggage gets moved around. Need extra space at the last minute? The expansion gusset gives you up to 2 extra inches of packing room. This is perfect when you pick up souvenirs or need to pack a few more outfits. Instead of struggling to close your suitcase, you can simply expand it and keep everything organized. Moving through busy airports is smooth thanks to the 360-degree spinner wheels. These wheels glide in any direction, so you can push or pull the suitcase effortlessly. It reduces strain on your wrist and makes walking through crowds much easier. Whether you are rushing to a gate or walking long terminals, it feels stable and controlled. The multi-stage telescoping handle comes with a push-button mechanism. You can adjust it to match your height, which makes handling more comfortable. On top of that, the Traveler's Choice Hardside Carry-On Luggage includes top and side rubber carry handles. These handles make lifting the suitcase into overhead compartments or car trunks much easier and more comfortable. Inside, the suitcase is designed for smart organization. The large main compartment gives you plenty of space for clothing and travel essentials. Multiple zippered pockets help separate smaller items like chargers, toiletries, or documents. This keeps everything neat and easy to find. Interior compression straps hold your clothes in place so they do not shift around during travel. Another thoughtful feature is the durable self-mending number 10 zippers. These zippers are built for long-term use and help ensure the suitcase stays secure trip after trip. It is a small detail, but it adds to the overall reliability. In terms of size, the Traveler's Choice Hardside Carry-On measures 26.5 inches high by 16.5 inches wide by 10.75 inches deep, with an extra 2 inches when expanded. The interior space is well balanced, offering room without feeling bulky. Overall, the Traveler's Choice Hardside Carry-On Luggage combines strength, flexibility, smooth mobility, and organized storage. It is designed to handle travel stress while keeping your journey comfortable. Planning your next trip? Check the price link in the description and see if it fits your travel needs. And do not forget to like and subscribe to Tech Kingo for more helpful product videos. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.